Hey guys, the product I'm introducing to you today is a carbon fiber sticker. When we open the package, we see that this product comes as a set of two pieces. All of the products are made from carbon fiber material. This is made entirely based on the original factory model, so there's no need to worry. I believe peeling off the upper tape is the only slightly challenging step with this product. However, please make sure to be patient. Trust me, once you have it installed, you will experience a different visual and tactile sensation.
A few moments later.
After peeling off all the tape, you can simply clean and wipe the area with a towel, and then align and apply the sticker. Press firmly for about a minute to ensure the adhesive is fully attached. Let's repeat the above steps to apply the carbon fiber sticker to the cup holder area. You'll still need to go through the tedious process of peeling off the tape, perhaps. This task would be better suited for my child to do. After we've applied it, personally, I would recommend installing the docking station as well. This way, the overall effect looks even better. Remember to press for about a minute to ensure proper adhesion. Personally, I really enjoy building and customizing my own car. It's like nurturing and guiding my own child towards the direction I love with my heartfelt efforts. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.